In this video, I'll show you the basic functionality of the carburetor on a Kart 150 and a few tips on how to troubleshoot them. Let's get to it. The purpose of this video is just to show you the basic of the carburetor. I won't go in depth in this one. I might make another video later just to get in depth. Air filter, so the air is coming through right here in the center of the carburetor. And within the carburetor, you have different jet and holes that the fuel will come through. And after that, it will just exit on this side through your engine. So now you have the basic carburetor right here. So the air's coming through, pushing a piston inside the carburetor right here, up, depending on the airflow. And the fuel will come right through and will go on the other side. And you've got the throttle right here that you will adjust the amount of air. And as the air goes through, it will pull some fuel out of the bowl under. One of the common problems with those carburetors will be the enricher. The enricher is actually controlled with the electricity provided by the machine. So right here, there's a little needle. So the air is coming through the carburetor, going through that hole right here, following this path. If the needle is open, the air will continue through. And on the other side, right there, there's a little hole, and it will pull more fuel when the machine is cold. And what's happening is, as the machine warms up, you don't need as much fuel to run it. So now this little needle will go down and block the entry for your fuel. And the fuel is actually coming right here. So the hose for the fuel will be right here. Fill the bowl under, and there's a channel under that you don't see that will pull that fuel through the carburetor. This is how you can troubleshoot your enricher. So you can just remove it. There's two Phillips screws right here on top of the carburetor. One here, and there's a clip you can just slide out. So now you'll get this part in your hand. As you can see, there's a green and a yellow wire. When you apply voltage through with the resistor, that needle right here will extract, and it will take about 4 or 5 minutes if you put 12 volt on it with the resistor. If that needle is not coming out, that means you have an issue with resistor or the enricher. To test your resistor, like this one here, is actually 5 watt, 5 ohm. It will depend on your machine. You can just put the multimeter to the resistance test. Take it one side here, one side there, and you'll be able to read the value. The enricher is actually something really cheap and easy to change. So if it doesn't work, it's available. I'll put the link in the description if you need one. The next common problem will be lack of fuel coming through your carburetor. So Petcock, as we discussed before, top line here will be coming through the side of your carburetor here. So what you can do is just to pull it out. Now you'll have a fuel filter that I don't right now because of the video. So at this point, if you disconnect that hose, put it in a small recipient, spin the engine, the vacuum here will start working and should pull the valve right here under. At that point, you should have fuel coming through this hose right here. So if there's no fuel coming out, that means you will have some issue right here, misconnection, broken hose, air going through the hose, usually around the connection, so you can just cut it, shorten out just to test it. Otherwise, the Petcock is gone. So it's another easy replacement. You just change the petcock and everything will work again. I'll put the link in the description if you need one. Next thing you can check will actually be if your machine's been sitting for a long time, the fuel in the bowl here get bad. So what you can do, there's that drain hose right here on there. And if you open this valve, it will empty the bowl through that hose, put it in the recipient again. And you should just empty the bowl and it should stop. That valve right here on this side should be closed. So now empty it, put some new gas on it, test it. That's another easy one that you can fix and the machine just might start. Conclusion, these are simple tests you can do yourself. The Enricher test is a little more involved, but the other tests are quick and easy. If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to fix a carburetor problem or just want to learn how it works. In the best case scenario, you'll fix the problem. In the worst case, it still won't work, but you'll learn something new. To this day, I don't know a single mechanic who hasn't made mistake. That's how we learn. And if it still doesn't work, you can always buy a new carburetor.